Good morning, students. In fact, a very pleasant morning. I hope you all are doing well and staying healthy at homes. So, students, I'm Mrs. Anamika Bhau, your English teacher. I welcome you all again to the online English classes. So, your classes has been resumed after the unit test. So, I hope you all have done well in the unit test 1. So let's start with the classes again. And this week, students, we are going to discuss the chapter from a supplementary reader snapshot, Albert Einstein at School by Patrick Pringle. So this is the topic for this week. So let's start with it. But before that, I just want to ask you that if you know anything about Albert Einstein. So I hope you all know about Albert Einstein, especially the medical and non-medical students. So Albert Einstein was a famous mathematician and a physicist who has given the general theories of relativity. And also he got the Nobel Prize in 1921 for the description of photoelectric effect. So he was a famous mathematician and a physicist. So this chapter, as the very title tells us, that Albert Einstein at school. So this chapter tells us that how he was when he was at school. So this chapter describes the school life of Albert Einstein, how he was when he was at school. So let's start with it. So the main characters of the story are first of all, Albert Einstein himself is the major character. Second is the history teacher, Mr. Brown. Then mathematics teacher, Mr. Koch. And then comes Yuri, who was the friend of Albert Einstein, and Elsa, who was the cousin of Albert Einstein. So there are five major characters in the story. So Mr. Brown, Mr. Koch, Yuri, Elsa, and Albert Einstein himself. So at the very first, this is the scene in the school. So there was a history class going on, and Einstein was attending the history class, and Mr. Brown was the history teacher. And at the very first of the chapter, in the class, Mr. Brown asked some questions related to history to Albert Einstein, and Albert Einstein couldn't reply. Mr. Brown asked that when the Prussians defeated the French at Waterloo. So on this, Albert Einstein couldn't reply. He said that I don't know. And on this, Mr. Brown said that why you don't know? I often told you about this, then why you don't know? On this, Albert Einstein said that maybe I forgot. So this irritated the history teacher, and he said that he is a disgrace to the school. He is not interested in studies. And Albert Einstein frankly admitted that yes, he was not interested in learning the dates, because Albert Einstein said that for me, ideas are more important than facts and figures. So, education is not learning the facts only, learning the dates and figures. For me, ideas are more important than learning the dates and figures, because dates and figures, facts, we can learn them from books. So, for me, ideas are more important than facts and figures. On this, Mr. Brown said that he's a disgrace to the school. He didn't know why he attended the school. So he was very irritated. He was very angry with Albert Einstein. And Albert Einstein also admitted that he came to the school against his wish, because his father wanted him to be here in the school to complete his diploma. So Albert Einstein that this is my compulsion by the father, because father wanted Albert to complete his diploma. So that's why he is in the school. And also the lodgings where he was living, that lodgings was not cheerful for Albert Einstein also. So the place where he was living, he also disliked that place. He disliked the school. So this is his compulsion only to complete the diploma, because his father wanted him to complete the diploma at least. So Albert Einstein, the father didn't have so much of money, so Albert Einstein have to live in a small rented room in the quarters of Munich. So he said that this is his compulsion to live in this room where there was slum violence only, because the landlady always beat her children regularly, and always the husband comes home, and in the evening he used to drink and beats his wife. So there was slum violence. He disliked that area. So Albert Einstein that I dislike this accommodation also, I dislike this school. So he discussed this problem with his friend Yuri, that I don't like the accommodation, but no solution could be found. And after this, he had a talk with Elsa also. He discussed his problem with his cousin Elsa. He discussed the problem with Elsa related to the school also. He asked him to get through the exam. And after that, Elsa said that you could pass the examination. You can easily pass the examination, because you all you have to do is to repeat the things, is to learn the things only. You need not to understand the things, you only have to learn the things. So learn the things and write in the exam, you could pass the examination easily. But Albert Einstein on this said that he is not good at learning the things by heart. So he was not interested in learning the things, facts and figures. So he said that I'm not good at learning the things. He also showed Elsa his geology book, because he was more interested in music, geology, mathematics and physics, science. So he was more interested in science, geology, music. So he showed his geology book to Elsa also, which is not prescribed in the syllabus, which is out of the syllabus, because he was interested in geology book. So he showed his geology him he showed her his geology book also. So this book was not prescribed in his syllabus. He also liked music. He played violin regularly until his landlady asked him to stop playing. So he read books on science also. So he was interested in all these things rather than learning the dates, facts and figures in the history class. So he discussed all these things with Elsa, and Elsa advised him to pass the examination. At least by learning the things, you need not to understand the things, so you could pass the examination. Even the stupid boys very easily pass the examination, then why can't you? So after this, after 6 months, again he had a talk with his friend Yuri. So he said that he asked Yuri that if he knew any friendly doctor, because he said that he had a plan in his mind to get rid of the school. He said that I have a plan. Do you know any doctor who is friendly to you, and who could give him a medical certificate which states that he had a nervous breakdown? So he asked Yuri that if he had a friend who can give him a medical certificate stating that he had a nervous breakdown. And on this, Yuri said that yes, I have a friend. And after this, he met with that doctor friend of Yuri. Dr. Ernest Weil was the doctor, and he issued him the certificate. He issued Albert Einstein the certificate, which was free of charge. And instead, the doctor asked Albert Einstein to take Yuri to supper if possible. So, free of charge, he issued him the certificate. And Einstein told Dr. Ernest about his future plans also, that after getting the certificate, after getting rid of the school, he would go to Milan and get admission into an Italian college. So, because he wants to go to the Italian college, and for this, Yuri advised him to get reference in writing from his maths teacher, so that he could easily get an admission to an Italian college, because he will not get an admission to the Italian college without the reference of any teacher. So maths teacher understand Albert Einstein well. So he was a teacher different from the other teachers. He could understand Albert Einstein very well. So Yuri advised him to get reference in writing from his maths teacher to get admission to the Italian college. So maths teacher was Mr. Koch. He willingly gave the reference, and he was a different teacher from other teachers. He understood Albert Einstein very well. He wrote that Albert Einstein knew so much that he couldn't not teach him anymore. He was ready to enter a college. He said that he knew Albert Einstein knew so much that he couldn't teach him anymore. He was ready to enter a college. And after this, maths teacher, this was a response of maths teacher. He said that Einstein was wasting his time in the class. He is ready to enter to the college. Einstein said that it was the only class where he was not wasting his time. He likes a maths class. So after getting the reference from the maths teacher, he said that he will be able to get admission to an Italian college easily. So maths teacher also gave her the reference. He said that Albert Einstein was wasting his time in the class. He is ready to enter to the college. So maths teacher helped Albert Einstein to get rid of the school also. And after this, he was Albert Einstein at last summoned by the head teacher. So the head teacher told Einstein that he wanted him to leave the school because the teachers don't like him, because his presence in the class made it impossible for the teacher to teach and for the students to learn. No serious work could be done in his presence. So head teacher wants him to leave the school. And after this, Albert Einstein thought that there is no need of the medical certificate. There was a waste of money on the medical certificate. He uselessly spent money on the medical certificate. There was no need, because the head teacher himself said him to leave the school. And after this, he thought to tell his intention for leaving the school, but he skipped this. Albert Einstein wanted to speak about the headmaster and the school, that he don't like the school, but he didn't say anything. He was asked to shut the door, but he ignored it also. And he didn't give a second look to the place, to the school, to the accommodation. He only met Yuri while going. So Yuri wished all the best in life. So after this, he went to Milan and got an admission to an Italian college. So this is the school life of Albert Einstein, that he didn't like learning the facts and figures in the school. He was more interested in ideas. He was more interested in mathematics, science, music, geology. So ideas were more important for him. So after getting rid of the school, he got an admission to an Italian college. So this is the school life of Albert Einstein. This is all about the chapter. Students, go through the video, and related to any doubts, please ask me. Thank you so much.